Welcome to your new home. Down the local boat ramp, chuck the jet ski in, go for a solo mission out to Kimberley Islands. The boat ramp's a bloody long way though. Just left Cygnet Bay. This island over here called Jackson Island. Isn't he, mate? So I'm going to go have a look around there. How's the conditions? The tide is absolutely ripping though. It's actually pushing the jet ski around. But she is a dead glass off. So I don't even think I'm moving. Look at the rock. It is banging. We're going nowhere. Oh, Jackson Island has not pulled through with a good jet. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy! There was a whirlpool here before, the tide is moving that quick against each other, spinning. Whoa! That feels weird. That feels weird. Probably shouldn't be doing this. Look at that tidal movement there. Should get a couple of little swirlies up here. Here we go, whirlpool action. Come on, give us a whirlpool. Oh, there we go. Whoa, don't get sucked in there, Macca. No! Woo! Whoa. Nearly down the hole. That got their old heart ticking. Lucky. These GTs. Oh, big blue bone. Oh, little ray. No fish. No worries. No fish, no worries! It's like snowman.
It's like snow!
Man down. That's cool, mate. Alright, Mackie Cam is activated. Rock climbing. Go, Mackie. Park tour. Go. Oh. Red Dirt Central. Good view though. Look at the new house. You don't like the new house, you got one down there too. Oh, this is the life.
This is the life.
Higher.
This is not the life actually.
So much.
Don't say I never do nothing for you.
Is that the second time?
Oh my god. Just hanging here dangling by a thread. Living life on the edge. You hanging by a thread?
Yeah.
Hey mate, how's your shower? Pretty good? Good view? Love the colouring of these rocks here. Little cave this here. Oh, shit monsters! Holy shit! Definitely a new species, a new species. Alright, no gas left. Nothing to start a fire, I've got a smouldering one. Nothing left to eat. So it's up to Daddy to catch a fish.
Is on. Pressure's on.
The pressure's on. Alright,
We want a
bye-bye.
Mackie, please. Love you.
Wish me luck. Otherwise you're going to stop. As you eat some hot chips. They don't cook after 12, so. Here we go. Let's go. Conditions have changed. Damn it. If I don't catch something on the way back to the boat ramp, which is all over. But check out this, is pretty cool. White sand, red dirt, blue water. Got the biggest fish of the day.
I haven't done yet.
Very pretty.
I'm done.
Sizzle. Sizzler. Old Mackie on the barbie. Not our Mackie. The fishing Mackie. Aristos, eat your heart out.